This is a short tutorial for Google My Maps. So once you have created a Google account or once you have logged into your Google account, you will see this page in the Google My Maps link. If you have not created maps before, it's going to be blank. If you have, they're going to appear here. So go ahead and create a map, and I'm going to show you just some of the basics. The first thing is to give your map a title, vacation destinations. Now there are two ways to add locations. Let's say that you want to visit Santorini in Greece, but you don't know exactly where that is. So let's put Santorini, Greece. And there you go. The mark here that is going to be added is in the island or the city of Thera in Santorini. But you can just click on Add Map, and then here there's a small pencil, and you can edit Santorini. Okay, and you could also share a little bit as to why you decided to visit. You can say, for example, I want to Santorini because I saw an Instagram photo with the beautiful Greek architecture, and I was inspired to travel here. Okay, so you save that. You could also change the color of your marker here. You can do red, for example. If you want, you can do cities in red, beaches in blue, and environment, hiking, nature in green. A place that I really want to visit is here in Sardinia, is the island and beach of Tavolara. So this is Tavolara Beach. It has a beautiful backdrop of Tavolara Mountain. Okay, and so I'm going to now save that. Okay, so don't forget to, once you have added your 10 locations, make sure that you click on this painting brush here where it says individual styles. It's a paint roller. Set labels to name. That way I can see the name of the places that you are that you want to travel to. So here's Tavolara Beach, here's Santorini, for example. Once you are ready with your 10 locations, go ahead and click on preview, and it's going to take you to the what it's going to look like for public viewing. Okay, and so this is what it should look like. It should have this red band here in the public viewing. And to share it, you can share this through here. I believe that you will get a link and embed on a site. Well, the easiest way to share it is that once you have gotten to this part, just copy the link and then come back to Canvas and paste the link on Canvas. Okay? That's it for this short tutorial. If you have any questions, please write on Canvas.